Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all of you are happy and well. So in today's video, rocks painting ideas. Friends, take a smooth rock and paint it with bright color. You can make flowers, rainbow, or even small hearts. Rocks painting is fun and simple. Use marker or paint to bring your idea to life. These painting rocks can be used for home decor or gifts. Animal themes. Pick a round rocks and paint it like a ladybug. Choose red of the body and black for the spots. You can also make a trolley, a fish, or a cute cat. Rock painting turns simple stone into little animals full of life. Traditional words painting. Paint rocks with happy words like smile, love, or be kind. Use bright color for the background and bold letters for the word. Place them in your garden, home, or gifts them to friends. These small rocks can spread big happiness. Nature inspired. Try painting rocks with trees, mountains, or the sun. Add small details like birds and clouds. This natural design look amazing and give a peaceful touch to your home or garden. Simple rocks home beautiful art with just a little paint. Fun for kids can paint rocks with cartoon faces, funny monster, or their favorite shapes. Rock painting is a great way to learn color and have fun. It's easy, safe, and creative for children of all ages. So friends, take a dark rock and paint it with blue, purple, and black colors. Add tiny white dot for stars. You can even make a moon or plant. Galaxy rock look magical and perfect for decoration your room. Holiday themes. Paint rocks for holiday like Christmas, Easter, or Halloween. Make a Santa rock or even in Easter eggs rocks. This paint stone enjoy and can be used as festive decoration. Use a small brush or stick to make a